What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For a long time, thanks for the support. And if you're just followed, thanks for the support also. Continue showing support. You see me? As you see, type down below when you don't know what I'm gonna do in the video. You see me? So, I'm gonna turn some cornmeal with some ackee and starfish, right? I'm gonna tell you, yo, I'm gonna show you the process. I'm gonna take you along because no person don't know say ackee and starfish can eat with turn cornmeal and nice also, right? Right now I'm under the ackee tree because I'm just done pick some ackee. But I continue look because I don't know something ackee them hide from you know. When you look, you see one more open. And all that, yeah. So, like this video, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about ackee and starfish with turn cornmeal. I want to share the video. I want to share it to the person say yo, let me subscribe, right? And on subscribe also if you subscribe it. Yeah, I want to do this to me. Show support man because me believe say I'm doing something good. Yeah. Because me I show people different style of cooking and all that. Yeah, so I want to share the video. Me not no pranking and none of them thing there. Cause you know pranking very entertaining and all that. I'm not no negative. But it's something positive and I put out positive things to the world. I realize that people don't really share them kind of something here positive. If something now somebody give somebody a head or a man a beat a woman, a woman a beat a man, wanna share it out, but I think it's so hard to share the kind of video. So what I want to do for me, I want to share the video man. Please man, I'm gonna share the video. Yeah. I'm showing Ackee tree now and show you what Ackee me get. So I turn the camera now and show you how I go on. It's the Ackee me guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Ackee right here, so right. And see one more here. That's like open, but you don't know you can't pick that. Right. See one more there. Open, but rat and parakeet. I'll give me a warm time, guys. Oh, so one more here. This having Ackee night. I think that's a good thing, but yeah man, that one is good. Right? And the cheap put on a nice scrap of Ackee. There enough Ackee. Enough Ackee. There? Enough Ackee people. And some over there so some are checking now and make sure we can get some more Ackee. And so one more here right here so. But the one is empty. Right? Eat out the one here also. So right give me a warm time. Guys, I just done pick Ackee them as I show you. Rat, parakeet and the common fowl them sit in the tree and give me a warm time. So if you start to see tree Ackee open, I just pick it and put it down and pick some more tomorrow again because I don't make them stay in the tree. Boy, I not get none. You see me? So I just go shop now and buy the starfish. I save starfish at the shop because in the previous video I told them I couldn't get no starfish here where I live because the boy starfish finished, so hopefully then got starfish. So my turn the cornmeal in a coconut milk with gungo. Yeah, gungo peas, the green gungo. Yeah man. I'll cook it down in a coconut milk and season up with scallion, thyme, garlic and all them things there. Don't know say you have to make cornmeal nice, you know. You have to make it nice so they can actually eat the cornmeal without the Ackee and the knife same way. Yeah. So it's not come out guys. Alright guys, this is Ackee. Wow. Yeah, it's a 10 Ackee, right? Yeah man. And I now but I make it till later. It's me for dinner. So hopefully by then time this we finish up. And the one right here so I don't know say don't really pick Ackee and oat meat, you see me? If you do it properly, when you force it, make it open naturally, you see me? Because everybody don't know say your Ackee a poison and that will sick you, so rather wait until you open, then pick it. If you don't buy it later, you just cook them you have and give God thanks, you see me? Because I know people have opportunity if you can pick Ackee and cook it same time, you see me? Yeah man. So hopefully if you know later you don't know tomorrow me can get cook or somebody else can come at the house and see it and pick it and to other rest, you see me? So if I get it, someone else will get it. So let's see what come out, guys. Alright people, the cola give me one time to catch here. And we shall mix out the coconut milk before we throw it in. I'm going to throw the coconut milk on the gungo water and look at this. But once that boil up, I let it boil out still. So as you can see, scallion, you have thyme, you have garlic in it, pepper. So hopefully pepper don't burst because I don't really like pepper like that. I'm going to put knife for the flavor because the pepper, you know, full of flavor, you see me? So yeah. So as someone tell the cornmeal, I don't know, so the cornmeal, you know, are well nice. You can eat without the ackee. And the ackee already cooked already, you know. Yeah man. Yeah. So as you see people, I just when that cook boil up now, about 10 minutes, they might throw in the cornmeal night, you see me? Because I want everything to cook here, man, the coconut milk to cook. Yeah. Because I don't know say oh them things will hurt your belly, you know. So them things they cook good. Yeah. So basically when that cook about 10 minutes, I throw in the cornmeal, cook it the cornmeal on us slowly on a low heat because man cook good and I want to cook dry. Man cook kind of whatish like. Yeah. And ackee now on top, very nice. I couldn't get the saltfish, so I deal with it without the saltfish, you know. I don't know why I can't get the saltfish. It seems like something need to go Linstead and start depending on the local shops in the community to get what I want. But other two sometimes I don't know, can't go on the road and if you use them, but I just say go still. So I checking back pound when time the coconut milk cook. Yeah, so soon come back. Oh guys, this is the ackee. I'm saying before cook with garlic and all that. So I don't know this is easy thing for I talk back. So check him up out now. I'm saying before when time the cornmeal I go on the pot. People I wish only can smell the aroma there. That nice smell there. Right now it smell like gungo pea soup and that I want. You see me? I want this oil cook even rice and peas. When you taste the water, the peas, you know, the peas and it's killing and time everything. Right if you put in the rice, when you taste the water there, if it tastes like pea soup, and then you don't know say it's like nice. And this now smell like gungo, gungo pea soup. That means say the cornmeal must nice. So I try the cornmeal right now and I want to slow cook. I don't want to cook fast and then the water drop like a cornmeal and then the cornmeal hard. No, I want to ever like a soft texture like yeah. So the gungo in people, green gungo. And I'm much nice still now. So I throw in it I throw in it I throw the cornmeal right now but too much water in the pot. So I'm gonna take out some of the water. I'm gonna take out some of the water. You see me? So put the camera somewhere now. So I can give angle. So I can do what I do. And taste it and see if you have enough salt or anything tonight. Small taste what I'm gonna feed it now. One look of salt. I just put in the salt before put in the cornmeal. That amount's supposed alright. Guys, I wish you could taste the flavor of this. Nice. So, I'm going to throw in the camera now. I should have thrown them at the same time, but throw I'm alone and you know can't hold the camera and do it at the same time. This one's some water night people. So I never throw away the peas water, you know. You there? I never want to throw the camel in that much water and then it come like a porridge. Somewhere I take out some of the water, throw in the camel and then some more water maybe add it. Prepare guys, take it out. Yeah? I don't want the people to burst in it. So guys, that are the last amount of water we have remaining. Before, I'm gonna throw the water little. Take out some of the water, throw in the camel and add back the water to it. Some more water. Much water. Add now because I know to come out porridge, you know. I don't like when the camel to cook too hard. It's alright now guys, so man, it's cooked slowly. You don't know. Some of the water I go evaporate out. But this is alright. We just want a little bit harder than this, so when it finish cook now, I'm sure now I go on, you see me? Alright guys, there's some people that say, yo, I can't turn camel, that can't eat. But it's actually nice. Me never know about it. You see me? It's a family friend basically tell me about it and I say, yo, I love it because he tell me about it and cook it for me a few years ago. Come first about it and say that can't eat, that can't nice, and then after I actually taste it, it's actually nice. You see me? So you can definitely try it at home. You can cook the turn camel without the gungo. You can cook it with the peas, with the gungo, or whatever you want. But night, see me? Me just choose to put the gungo in it because I love gungo and I have the gungo. I say I'm throwing it. You see me? I make a meal. You see? Fan only know cook and know certain things taste and the flavor things are the flavor we want and what we want to achieve when you can mix anything together and make it nice, you see me? So the guys for a well red. Alright people, so I already go ahead and check it and realize that it cook. It cook already, you see me? Make sure. So it's alright. I'll take it off now. I'm gonna go and say finish. Alright. One thing about it. The texture. This is the texture I want, you see me? Right texture. It's not tough and dry. It's soft and nice. Yeah, so I'll take it off now and throw an Ackee. Because I don't know say Ackee time. I don't know Ackee now. About 2 minutes and good. Yeah. And I can't wait for dig in because this tastes so good already. That's not even one ackee, nothing for taste for eat with this. Just same way so. And it good. Yeah. Time now guys, so I took ackee in the pot here. At the pot I cook the gungo, you know, so I took the ackee back in the pot here. Throw an oil in the pot now guys. So that much oil is supposed to alright for the few little ackee we have to add up. So I cut the onion scale and time my name something now. Alright guys, so let's take my onion scallion thyme, tomato and sweet pepper. Yeah. So basically saute them, throw in the salt, the ackee. Night to come guys, but still I get the job done before night. Actually come now, and before the place get dark. Yeah, still I get the job done. So give it about a minute or two. Yeah, because I don't want it. If you go too much, more and the sweet pepper kind of crunch the same way, you see me? Yeah. See there, all the moon come out. Yeah. See there? So throw in ackee. You don't know if the Maggi season. And if you want to start, you can add little salt or whatever you want tonight. See you going guys. Right. You going guys, my link up back when time me finish, you see, because the battery dead. So my link up. Soon come back. Alright guys, so this is the finished product guys. This is the texture I wanted to achieve. I never want the caramel to dry. Barky. Yeah, this is what I want. The caramel skin color because of the gungo. Yeah, the ackee and all that. So take your first bite. It's nice, not true? Yeah man. We know people, fed up pepper, bad. The English is pepper because of the flavor. Yeah man. I'm not really a big fan of pepper, that's why I don't use enough pepper in my video. So my shell on this now guys. And before, like the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new, touch the bell, put on all to be notified when I video drop. Share the video, when you share it, tell the person say you subscribe and all that. You see me? So catch you in the next video.